pan-fried salmon with creamy garlic sauce. It's a really simple dish to make, and the secret is the incredibly flavorful sauce. So, if that sounds good to you, let's dive right in. First up, I'll start off by marinating the salmon. Over here, I have two salmon with the skin that I'll be using. So this weighs roughly around 200 grams each. And I'll just add in salt on top, so half a teaspoon for both. Now I'm adding black pepper, 1 teaspoon for both. Flip it over and we'll repeat the same steps as earlier. So add in salt on top. This is just to make sure that we have flavors on both sides and not just on the top. So black pepper as well. And now just smear the salt and the pepper over the salmon. Make sure the salmon is well coated. Now we'll squeeze some lemon. So just with half a lemon, just squeeze as much juice on top and make sure to do it on both sides. And we'll just let it marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now we can start cooking. So prepare a pan and add in oil. Right here I'm using 2 tablespoons of light olive oil. Add in the salmon once the oil is heated up. We'll be frying the salmon. Make sure to put it on low heat so it doesn't get burnt. So this is after a couple of minutes. Once the bottom half is cooked, you can flip it over. And let the bottom part cook. Once it's cooked, we can take it out. And right here you can see it looks perfect. So with the same oil, add in butter. This is 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So add that in, make sure you do not throw away the oil from earlier. And when the butter melts, add in garlic. This is 8 cloves of garlic which have been chopped fine. Stir it for a bit. Now add in onion, 2 tablespoons, also chopped. Now I'll be adding in vinegar. So just add in a little bit. This will be 1/4 cup of vinegar. You can also substitute it with dry white wine should you prefer. Now I'm adding in heavy cream. I'm using 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream. And just give it a little stir. So this will really give you that creamy texture. Added in a bit of salt and pepper just for taste. That was Parmesan cheese grated. I use 1/4 cup. And really that's it. So you don't have to keep it on the fire for too long. Off the fire once you've added in the cheese, don't let it melt too much, and just pour the sauce on top of the salmon. Trust me, this texture is absolutely delicious. Add in some sliced lemon on top, and it's a perfect dish for your family. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.